Hi, Laura here from The Unprofessional, and today I'm going to show you how I made the easiest French cleat hooks in the history of time. To see how I made this French cleat wall in my tiny closet, check out the video linked in the corner, or visit my channel at the end of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, it's a big help as I make these DIY videos. I'm using pre-made Ikea hooks in this video, but you can use any wood hook or accessory and get the same outcome. Now, a lot of DIYers make their own accessories out of scrap wood and plywood, which is awesome, but that's not what I'm showing in this video. Everything in the video that I used came from Ikea with the exception of the bins, and I'll link to the bins in the notes below. First, a little bit about French cleats. They're a way to hang items that can be moved or adjusted, a modular system, so to speak. Now imagine this is a wall. One of the cleats, cut at a 45-degree angle, is firmly attached to the wall, and the other cleat, which is also cut at a 45-degree angle, is attached in the opposite direction to an accessory. Together, they lock into place, supporting the accessory without being permanently attached to the wall. It's probably my favorite thing ever. I used a 1x5 to make my cleats and my accessory cleats, but a lot of people use 3/4 inch plywood for this. First, I cut the 1x5 down into pieces that were the exact size as the cleat wall space. Then I ripped each piece in half at a 45-degree angle on my table saw. I made a bunch of cleats this way, most of which I attached to the actual wall for my cleat wall, but the leftovers are what I used for the accessory cleats. There's other ways to make cleats, but this was the easiest and fastest way for me to make a bunch of cleats in my tiny woodshop dungeon. I attached the wall cleats directly to the closet space. You can see the whole process in the other video. Then once the cleats were in place, I was ready to make my accessories. I think hooks, bins, and rods make the best accessories for a closet, and here are the Ikea ones that I used. For this video, I'm going to show you how I made a French cleat accessory out of the first hooks shown here. I started by cutting the Ikea hooks in half because they were twice as long as what I needed. Then I made the accessory cleat thinner by ripping down the squared edge, leaving the 45-degree edge in place. To attach the cleat, apply a generous amount of glue across the entire cleat. Line up the cleat to the top of the accessory with the 45-degree angle pointing down. Clamp it and secure it with brad nails. I used 18-gauge brad nails and they were 1 1/4 inch in length. It's important to note, let the glue dry completely before trying your accessory on the wall. If the glue is wet, you run the risk of the two cleats drying together, and then it won't be a modular system anymore. And there it is, the easiest cleat accessories that you can make from Ikea hooks. Thanks for watching. This has been Laura from The Unprofessional. To see written instructions for this project and other DIY projects, visit my website, theunprofessional.com. And if you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe.